Mac Talio to GR Kenyahan connection mga idol. Pumutok din dito si John Manso. Pero J-Boy Solis di mapigilan ang kanyang piso-piso jumper sa perimeter. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang 4-game highlights hanggang dulo. Cebu Greats versus Ilagan Isabela 5-star Cowboys. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Well, Alan Santos is the games that he's played.
Ian Martel, entry pass, Homevis, hook shot.
Immediately kita ang top 3-point shooters and makers para dito sa Ilagan.
Homevis down low, bounce pass, Mark Meneses off the glass and in.
These two actually played together.
Bactalio attacks, fakes off his defender. Wow, able to sneak that one through.
Oh man, I think the culmination was when they started playing with only 7-6 players. That was the game with Pampanga and Nueva Ecija, if I recall correctly.
To their last 3 games, have a slow start here. Alan Santos able to roll that one through. Malip Santos back to DH against Bactalio. Miranda floats it up and in. Miranda with 4 points.
Once you're a scorer and you can just start hoisting up shots.
Manzo drives. The teardrop will work.
Favorite shot. Definitely. Would be interesting to have J-Boy Solis rather go up against Meneses. Another float.
Tall lineup. Ito yung luxury ngayon ni Coach Junti Valenzuela as to Malip able to bury that jump shot na Bactalio. The crossover. Kenyahan, quick trigger, gets it to go.
And that's what you love about Kenyahan. Ilagan basketball, that defense right there.
Brian Mecca, kick out by Pyong, open for free. Good!
Alam mo kagandahan this season because they liken themselves to Pampanga and other the big teams that actually.
Joshua Ramirez, AJ Miranda, J-Boy Solis, Dennis Santos, and Mark Gaig, the unit.
Nicest guys in the MPBL na player, no? But very fierce competitor.
Kenyahan, nakaisa laban kay Art de la Cruz.
Naka-topside si Art plays, pinasahan na maganda, libre yung baseline for that scoop.
Pull-up jumper is pure from Don Gumaro.
The most comfortable shot.
On the baseline, will not force it. The pass down low, Art de la Cruz off the glass and in, plus a foul. Fillmore game with 1xBet.
Boy, this is one guy that they definitely missed. No? Si Art de la Cruz. But the thing is, oh wow!
The thing is,
JR Kenyahan committing turnovers.
Josh Giab.
Very comfortable here for Ilagan and they have gone back to their identity, starting off with the defensive end and then being comfortable on the offensive side of the. I'm sure in practice, nakakapag rin yung sabay rin naman yun sa ensayo. A little bit calibration lang siguro on live on the live game.
Tagal din yung nawala kasi, 2 buwan may hit. J-Boy Solis nails that.
Them committed and leaving that up for Adlaw to finish. J-Boy Solis was late on that Pills defense.
J-Boy Solis, pinomba pa. 15-6.
Going zone right now, itong Cebu Greats.
Cap Gomez swishes in.
Basketball
Gumaru, bounce pass, J-Boy Solis. Piso-piso lang.
Yan.
Fouls his 8th rebound. Martel momentarily lost control of the basketball, recovers and puts it up and in. Martel, swing pass, Talio. Manzo, he drives, he flips it up. That one rolling in for the hitman.
A lot of unselfish shooting Mac Talio and Jun Manso, but they still chose to rotate that ball.
Solis continues to fire and continues to cash in from onto him by Santos. Manzo, kick out pass. Meneses pulls the trigger. By Pyong inside. Great patience underneath to score.
Much better latter part of the quarter.
Gomez in trouble. Tops it up. Pagkakataon for Cebu. Talio, 4 seconds left. The drop pass inside. Manzo scores! What? Ilagan, as usual, very balanced yung naging scoring nila. Si J-Boy Solis, may 8 puntos. 5 galing kay Art de la Cruz. As Cap Gomez. Gomez, quick catch and shoot, that time short. Santos able to sneak in for the putback.
What to do on the defensive end, not the offense. And he was adamant at his instructions.
Manzo able to twirl inside for 2 more points.
Quick response by June Manso para dito Cebu Greats.
He's got 12 points already. Santos
Oh man.
swishes in at 20-footer, but can't hit the free. Misses last 2. Meneses in trouble. Gumaru on the floor. Manzo able to recover. Manzo drives, lays it up and in.
If this is not a highly
Martel running down the floor.
nice pass.
And the recipient of that was Mark Meneses.
I like this combo of Art and J-Boy Solis on the floor at the same time. Good cut.
Mactalio with a reverse.
Ball on the post. Weak side's got to cut down 45. Gab Gomez with a straight on 3.
Solis with the putback. Missing again. Ubalde serving the floor. Drives left. Ubalde straight to the cup for 2 points. 37% from beyond the arc.
Yes.
Santos puts it up. Cashes in from deep. Left. Manzo up top. Isolated. Manzo off the glass. Rolls out by Tiong. Will not get it off in time. And that's gonna do it. Pushing it. Santos sidestep. The layup is good.
That's how you play it. Yung offensive weapons ng Ilagan.
That's why Coach Louie is pretty much excited with their prospects. They want to go deep in the playoffs in the North. Mark Dyke finally scores. Too strong, grabs his own miss. Manzo with a much-needed free to pull to within 6.
They're still in there.
Numbers here. Manzo, no foul. Santos, the pass. Dondon Gumaru, the floater will drop.
That right there, gun. Yeah, I love this play.
Gumaru,
I love this play.
drifting right. Santos! Naagaw ni Josh Giab. Giab lays it up and in. Biggest lead right now for Ilagan at 15.
Yan ang convenient para kay Josh Giab. You know, to start things off on the defensive end. But Cebu's got to come back real big here. Oh, wow.
Manzo with a powerful move right over Dondon Gumaru.
Ganda nung galaw na yun, yan. June Manso.
Mark Dyke winning free.
Boy, that's a 35% three-point shooter right there in Mark Dyke.
Puwersa si June Manzo. He scores once more.
Too strong for Don down on the low block.
Mark Dyke again. Mark Dyke back to
Known in. Para dito sa Ilagan, that's 8 of 31 attempts. Oh, again, June Manso. Same spot. He's have enough to try and come back here with very little time. June Manso starting to initiate top.
3 minutes left here in the fourth. Miranda. Mark Dyke. 3-point shot again. John Hamon. Spins. Gets the basket. And a foul will be running out of time here. Down by 17. Hamon, the shimmy. Fadeaway jumper. And cashes in.
It's a character game for both these teams. And right now with this win, as Don Gumaru knocks down another 3.
Just alluding to Andrea's report earlier about Ilagan as Mark Meneses scores. Tema, tutulungan tayo niyan habang naglalaro. And that's exactly what happened here. Nasubukan sila dito ng Cebu. Cebu was simply phenomenal because of this guy, June Manzo. With the total, and you rarely saw anyone from this roster